Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about structure of the nephron. The nephron is also called as a uriferous tubule. And what is the major function of the kidney means to excrete the urine from our body. Where the excretion was done. Where the excretion was done means in the part of the nephron. The each kidney has nearly 1 million nephrons are present. The nephrons are structurally and functionally unit. Each nephron has mainly two parts, namely renal or Malpighian corpus, and second one is a renal tubule. Now we discuss about first one, that is a renal corpus. The renal corpus is composed of a network of blood capillaries is called glomerulus, and a double walled cup like structure is called a Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule is like a cup like structure, and the glomerulus is formed by a afferent arteriole. The blood from a glomerulus is carried out away from the afferent arteriole of a lesser denser medium, and the inner wall of the Bowman capsule has certain unique cells. The cells is called podocytes, and which around the each capillary of the glomerulus. These podocytes are around the each capillary of the podocytes. The podocytes are arranged in a intricate manner so as to leave some minute space. That space is called filtration slit or slit pores. The endothelial cells of the capillaries have numerous pores. The numerous pores is also called as a penetration. Penetration means small holes like sieves. Now we discuss about second one, renal tubule. The renal tubule contains to form highly coiled proximal convoluted tubule. It is called PCT. A hairpin like sharp structure is called Henle's loop. This is present below the PCT. PCT means proximal convoluted tubule. The Henle's loop present below the PCT. The Henle's loops are descending and ascending limbs. The descending limbs is a downwards and ascending limb is a upwards, and the proximal part of the ascending limb is thin and distal part is thick. The thick ascending limb is continuous to the distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule is called as DCT, and the distal convoluted tubule as the initial collecting duct in the cortex part, and the initial collecting duct is the straight collecting duct and passes through the medullary pyramid. The pyramid join the medullary pyramid join and form the central large duct is called Bellini. The central large duct is called as a Bellini, which finally open into the renal papillae. And the content of the duct of the Bellini are discharged into a renal pelvis through a renal cortex, and the PCT and DCT, that means proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule, are located at the cortical region of the kidney. The loop of the Henle's is the medulla, and it is too short and extend only very little into the medulla. Such nephrons are called as a cortical nephrons. But in some cases, the nephron of the loop and Henle's are very long and run deeply into the medulla. That such nephrons are called juxtamedullary nephrons. That means in some cases the nephron of the loop are very long and it was enter into the medulla part very deeply. That is called juxtamedullary nephron. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel for more updates and interesting videos.